Hey guys, just a quick follow up on the British pound against the US dollar. Let me walk you from the weekly chart. What did we say last week? We said that price might experience some bullishness, but we have to understand that overall the trend is down. Price make a series of lower highs and lower lows. Moving averages, they crossed and they are pointing bearish. Also, the RSI is below 50 and that's bearish, so we have to stick to what the indicator shows rather than what do we feel it's going to happen in the market. All right, then we move on the daily chart. For those who are new on my channel and the videos here, I just use the Bollinger Bands as a filter for entry points basically in the market. So as we said, let me show you here, price made this series of lower highs and lower lows, and at some point it started moving upwards. A clear resistance found at this high here, which we name it as the R1. Price, let's go back to the daily. Price false break. This one closed with one candle above the resistance, and then a strong bearish candle to the downside, leaving the with too many losing trades. Those they had their stop losses below this low here because they try for whatever reason to go against the momentum and try to buy it. Now moving forward, if we check the 4-hour chart, the move created preceded actually by this strong bearish momentum we observe on the chart. It was the origin of the move was down here, so this upward momentum, now it looks like it came to the end. You can see from the price action that the red candles are much longer. That means too much volume compared to the recent blue candles, and from an area of resistance it shows a strong it shows a strong sentiment from the sellers that they want to really push the price lower. Now what can we anticipate if we go on the hour chart? We see that the Bollinger Band expands on the other direction with a bearish engulfing breakout right at the CPI news events early this afternoon. And since then, the price trades outside of the band for some hours, so that was very bearish. Now, we expect some consolidation or some move to the upside. Here it's a strong area of resistance. It's somewhere above the 61.8% fib retracement, somewhere about 78 or even 80%. But be mindful that there is a broken support can act as resistance here, change of polarity between support and resistance. That's a clear level that price might come to retest. Again, in very strong, as I told you in previous videos, in a very strong downtrend, the correction to the upside, it many occasions it happened to be very shallow, so don't be surprised to see the price move like this just a little bit during the Tokyo session. It's about to start in the next few hours, and then the Sydney session, and then we see the price may trade to the downside. All right, there are hourly intraday support and resistance that you can use in your trading here. Some of them, I'll point them on the chart. Let's say a recent support you can see is this one here. And if the price breaks below this one, the next area, strong support found it to be this one here around 1.2105, and the other one is the above, it's 1.21628. So keep an eye on this level, guys. I wish you to have a happy trading. Manage your position size accordingly, and understand that when we try to sell the support, that comes with some consequences at the time, because we don't know for how much this support maybe it's gonna hold for this sequence bounce. So keep an eye on this stuff, and I will come up with a new update most likely tomorrow. Thank you very much.